Hi guys, Karen Respecta, how are you? So today I'm excited to bring you a full body Pilates ring workout. I'm going to show you my new Pilates ring that I just received. And it also comes with an exercise guide, but I'm giving you this video so you also know what to do with a Pilates ring. This one is pink. They come in pink or purple. It has good resistance. It's super stable and sturdy. So I will post the link down below, guys, in case you're interested and still need a Pilates ring to add to your home gym, to your workout routine. It is a great tool. It adds resistance, a little stability challenge, and also it helps with posture and alignment. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm giving one of these away in my membership group next week, so I'll tell you a little bit more about that later. Let's go ahead and begin with the arms up. Heel of the hand is on. I want you to relax the shoulders and the neck. And think of your hip bone and your pubic bone staying in the same line. Slowly on the inhale, we're going to reach the arms overhead, and the key here is not to pop and lift the ribs. So I'm just going to go overhead to where I can maintain rib cage stabilization. And then slowly on the exhale, come up and give me a gentle press into the ring. Feel the side back engage. Inhale, the arms reach overhead just a little bit. Exhale, draw the navel to spine. Feel that deep core turning on. So notice here, guys, I'm not even lifting to my curl yet, and I'm still turning on the core. Big time, right? Let's do that again, one more time. Inhale over, and exhale, bring that up. Now from here, I'm gonna lift to the curl. So gradually inhaling, on the exhale, keep that lemon under chin and chest. We rise to flexion, little press into the ring, and then roll and articulate that back down. Exhale, lifting up, chin is off that chest, give me a little press into the ring, there it is, and return. So I want you to go slow with this, so we're not using momentum to fly the arms up. I'm not crushing the ring, it's a very soft, gentle engagement, and return. Let's do this one more time, inhale. Exhale, pressing into the ring, and lower that right back down. Right leg comes to tabletop, find your little imprint, left leg follows. Ring moves overhead as the right toe taps down toward the floor. Exhale, bring it in, left toe. Now, be aware here that you're not doing this, right? See how I'm just dropping, I'm exaggerating this. I don't want to move from the knee, I want to hinge from the hip. That is such a big difference. Exhale takes so much more control and precision, right? Inhale and exhale, and again you're feeling that deep core turn on, keeping your back nice and safe. One more, beautiful. Now slowly take the arms overhead. Inhale, the arms rise. As you exhale, option one, stay. Option two, extend those legs, press in. 1, 2, 3 to the ring and lower. Rising up, exhale, find that imprint, pulsing 1, pulsing 2, pulsing 3, and lower. Let's do that again. Rising up and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Here's your last one. Inhale, exhale, and 1, 2, 3, and lower that right back down. Ring comes above the knee joint, right between those inner thighs with the palms to the mat. Taking that breath in, inhaling. Find your imprint, so ribs and hips gently peel, lifting gently through the pelvic floor. Squeeze the buttocks to lift your hips up to that high bridge. Inhale, hold for 1. Exhale, begin to melt that down. Now we're articulating that spine, 1 vertebrae at a time, letting the ring release. Inhaling again. Exhale, finding that imprint, squeezing through the glutes, squeezing the inner thighs a little bit into that ring as you lift, 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 hold, there it is. And then roll that down from the top of your back. The middle, getting a nice healthy and mobile spine, the lower, the tailbone connects. Now we're gonna inhale 1. No imprint, all I want you to do is exhale, lift through the pelvic floor, turn on that transverse, that deep core muscle, right? So think of a gentle tightening around that waist, and then press through the glutes, lifting up for 8, lower down to a hover. Now the pelvis is like an elevator, going straight up, straight down. 6, I'm not rolling or imprinting, hovering the hips. 4. Notice your feet are anchored to the floor. 2 more here. Hold, squeeze 8 into the ring. 7, 6, 5, show me. 4, squeeze 3, 2, 1 more set, we pulse in. 7, 6, you have it. 5 and 4, 3, how we doing guys? 2 and 1. Lower that down. Let's come up to seated position, holding onto the ring. Think of like a little steering wheel. Now lift to a taller posture. No tension that neck. Scooping to your seat curve on the inhale. Rolling back, just gently. As you exhale, navel to spine, gently press to the ring, fold over the top of those thighs. Inhale, we're moving away. Exhale, we're coming forward. 2 more here. Inhale, we're moving away. Exhale, folding over the hips and pelvis. Now, 1 more here. I'm going to add a little challenge for you. You can stay with this half roll back. If you can go for a little more, you're going to add some power of the arms. So half roll back or come down all the way. Power those arms, squeeze that side body, and flex forward for 4. Control the movement. Rising up. How do we do, guys? 3. Take your time. 2 more here. Lower down. We have 1 more to that finish. Lifting up and stacking that vertebrae. Flex your feet straight, the legs, full Pilates roll up. Right? If you have to modify, you can certainly still bend the knees here. Start to roll down. So I'm tucking the pelvis here. Lower body, lower back, middle. Find that articulation. Upper. The arms come overhead, the ribs don't pop. Remember we did that in the warm-up. Inhale, rib cage stabilization. Exhale, flex and fold. Chin is off that chest. Come over, stretch over those legs. Don't force or jam. And then roll that back. Glide the shoulders off those ears. Let's go 2 more here. Inhale. Exhale, flex and fold over the hips and pelvis. Whoo. Come down. If you're tight at all in the hamstrings or calves, guys, you might feel that one. Last one. Rising up. Exhale, folding over the hips and pelvis. Coming down. This time we're going to stay down with the ring right above the chest. Bend the right leg to tabletop, extend it straight up to the sky. Little circles, down, up, and pause on top. When you pause, give me a little press into that ring. Down, up, and press. Down, up, and press. Down, up, and 4. Ooh, it's burning already. 3, remember, this is small. If you need to modify, bend your bottom leg in, opposite direction. If you still need to modify, you're feeling pulling in that hip, bend your knee. So now we're shortening all those levers and you have more control if you need that option today, right? That's there for you. 4 more, that core is turning on. 3, 2, and 1. Extend the leg into the ring and breathe into that stretch. Hold for just a moment. And then with your right hand, hold the ring, left hand behind the head, rising up to flexion. From here, the leg comes up to meet it and lowers down. Inhale, exhale. It's harder to stabilize here, right? Exhale. Now, if you're a little more flexible today, bring the ring to the front of that shin. As that leg goes down, exhale, press the heel of the hand into that ring. Inhale. 4, squeeze the buttocks there. And 3, keep stretching that right leg up to the ring. 2, belly should be burning. And 1, we switch and hold. Breathing into that left side. Oh, we forgot our hip circles. Not yet, not yet. I know it feels so good. Hold. We're not going to forget it. Circle around. We'll go there in just a moment. Pause. Down, in. Remember those modifications, yeah? Chin off chest. 4. Good. 3. Inner, outer, front, back of the thigh in the circle. 2. And a little reverse. Show me. Down, in, and pause. 6 more. 6. As that leg comes around, squeeze softly. 4. My leg's already burning. 3. Show me, and 2. and 1. Now we get that nice stretch to enjoy. All right, and you can do this later, guys, for a little longer. Left hand holds the bottom of the ring, right hand behind the head, elbow wide, inhale. Rising up to that exhale, lift up on the inhale, exhale, squeeze the buttocks and lower that leg. Right, there's no tension here. If I need to come down, you might be down, that's okay. If you're feeling more flexible here, a little more challenging, exhale, 6 more. Press into the ring, 5, 4 more here, 4. Left leg presses into the ring, left hand, 2 more here, 2. Here's your last one, 1. And rest. All right, take your right leg, bend it. Take your right thumb out and your elbow to 90. Left arm is up to the sky. From here, we're gonna reach the arm and leg. As you exhale, little press into the ring. Inhale, push that right knee gently into the ring. 4. Inhale away, exhale. 3, that belly is burning and I'm not even curling, right? 2, 1 more to the finish, and 1. Little switch, guys. Thumb is out. Yes, hold. Right arm is up. Right leg is out. Inhale. 8. Inhale away. Exhale. Little press into that ring. 7. Reach, reach, reach. 6. You have it. Show me 5 right here. 5. My belly is burning already. 4. Stretch it away. 3. Reach it long, exhale. 2, here's your last one, and rest. Rolling up to seated position, nice job. I want you to come onto your forearm, hold that ring in front, relax the shoulders off your ears, lifting through that lower waist. I don't want to collapse, right? Heels together. Now squeeze your heels even more. Heel of the hand is on, you're gonna exhale, open and return. You keep going, squeeze that glute to open. Now, when you do that, gently press down into the ring. What that does, you're gonna feel a little bit of instability here, and the core has to turn on more to hold your balance. 4, right? As opposed to this, if my hand was down. 2, 1, toe to toe. So I'm gonna open, kick and press, lower, return. Open, reach, lower, return. 4 more, and we have 3 more, and we have 2 more. Last one here, and 1. Press, legs are burning. Top leg comes down, bottom leg up. Lift the heart and chest again, make sure you're not collapsing, and press. Inner thigh. Now, that standing foot, you're gonna press down into the mat, right? 3 more. 2, you ready? 1, you can stay with that. If you need more, draw the belly. Squeeze the butt, push through your standing heel to lift the hips, and rise. Good. 6 to the finish. 5, keep that alignment. Your hip might still be down. 4, inner thigh, squeeze. 2, 1, press and switch. How did we do? Position, shoulder, elbow, lift the heart and chest. Heel of the hand is on, heel squeeze. Let's go. 7. There it is. 6, good, good. 5, feel that waist. 4, feel the glute. 3, 2, 1, toe to toe, ready? So we're gonna go open, reach, bend and return. Open, reach, as you reach you press the ring. And 4, lengthen, bend and return. 3, lengthen, bend, you got 2, 2, lengthen, last one here, 1, lengthen, bend and rest. Top leg stays down, bottom leg up, lift the heart and chest, inner thigh. 5 more here, right? If you're good, you stay. 3 more, 3, second set, we're gonna add that other option. So stay here or press through the heel, shoulders off the ear, and 8, and 7. Keep lifting that waist. 6, this is hard, guys. 5, standing glute is engaged. 4, 3, 2, 1, take that down. How do we do? Lower all the way. Heel of the hand is wide onto your ring. Shaking out that head, rolling the shoulders, squeeze the buttocks. Lifting through the pelvic floor. Inhale, we're gonna rise to extension. Feel that stretch. Exhale to lower. Again, inhale, extend, and exhale. Let's go 2 more here. Squeeze the glutes, reach the legs. Lift, lift, lift. And down. That should feel amazing after we did a little bit of flexion. Lifting again, rising, and then we come back down with control. Take the ring to the small of the back. Elbows drive behind us. Squeezing the buttocks, straighten the arms, go to extension, lift the upper and lower body. Inhale, bend to return, those arms should be burning. Exhale, press into the ring, straighten those arms, lift the heart, lift the chest. Bend to return, we got 3 more here. 3, bend and return, squeeze the ring, and 2, bend and return, last one, press 1, 1, 1, bend and return, and my friends, show me a little shell stretch. Whew. Breathing into this. Way to work. Come to all fours position. Palms under the shoulders, taking an inhale through the nose. Scooping as you exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, letting that release. Can we do that again on the exhale? Draw the belly button in as we lift and rise. Inhale, letting that release. And then we find a nice strong tabletop position. And my friends, I want to thank you so much for joining me today for that full body Pilates ring workout. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And have a great day. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to Workout Hotel, guys. I'm posting every Saturday by 5 a.m. Eastern time. If you're looking for more of a program where you get a monthly calendar, live workouts, expert guests coming in, we have nutritionists come in, we have mobility experts. This month we have a trainer and a fitness model coming in to speak about stretches to do at home when working from home and at your desk. So it's not just about workouts in my fitness membership program, it's about creating that lifestyle. So we have recipes, nutrition tips, and really trying to create the atmosphere and the environment to live a healthy and prosperous life. So guys, I would love for you to join me if that's something you're interested in, or you have any questions, send me an email at info@workouthotel.com, or you can sign up at workouthotel.com. You guys are amazing. I'm blessed to have you. Have a beautiful day. Remember, if you want to get your Pilates ring, I'll post a link down below. It's a great Christmas stocking stuffer, although it might not fit in the stocking. It's a good little gift. All right, guys, have a beautiful day. I will see you next workout. Take care. Bye.